Okay, so let us discuss our first short question. What is history and how has it developed and evolved over the period of time? So history is the study of changing pattern in society. No two periods are alike in history. It is the study of the change that occur over time constitute the essence of history. By studying history, we try to know how things were in the past and how they have changed over the years. Things that we see today have their roots in the past. So we all know what is history. Basically, the study of change and the study of changing pattern in basically a particular society, and how have things changed from past to present we study in history. How has history changed over and developed over a period of time? Over time, history has developed and evolved. Once it revolved around the life of powerful people, that is personality based. Now history has become the study of the common people, their life, and also about new ideas. It has become a study of how societies and economies change with time. So we understood that initially history revolved around only personality based studies. Now history has actually widened its areas, and we just don't study about personalities, we study about the society, economies and common people as well. Okay, so let us go towards the other question. So the other short question is, list the defining features of the modern era. Why do Indian historians not want to call the British rule in India as modern period? So first let us list the defining features of modern era. Okay, so some of the defining features of the modern era are scientific progress, industrialization, colonization, and urbanization or growth of cities. These changing trends were first visible in Europe. In course of time, they also exercised a significant impact on India. This is the first part of the answer, that is what actually are the defining features for modern period. So these are all the scientific progress, industrialization, colonization, urbanization. Now the second part of the question was, why do Indian historians not want to call the British rule in India modern period? Basically, Indian historians did not want to call British rule in India as modern. So why? So for that you can write, instead of they, we can write British. British took away raw material from India and made her an importer or importer of finished British good. So British rule can hardly be described as modern. It was colonial. Indian historians call this the colonial period. So what is the basic answer? Basically, modernization refers to all the good things or all the better and improved things, that is scientific improvements, technological advancement, urbanization, industrialization. But when Britishers were in India, they were actually putting down India's economy, and they were using its raw material, taking the raw material from India, processing it, and then selling the finished goods in India itself. So that is why the Indian historians want to call this period as colonial, not as modern. Okay.